Hello everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to replace an engine drive belt with pulley and tensioner on a 2008 BMW 3 Series. Alright, first things first, we are going to get a little bit driver here. This is a T20. So we can take this front induction portion off here, air induction. Alright, got that piece off. You really want to be careful, and when you're pulling this off, be very gentle because there is a coolant line right here, and this is very brittle and you don't want to touch it. Don't even look at it. They can break real easy, but it actually does give you the chance to see that line because it is hard to see, and if it does need to be replaced, it does attach to this upper coolant hose here, and you can just get this hose by itself in most cases, but this nipple will break, and that nipple is attached to that upper hose. It's plastic. You will need to replace this upper hose too. You might as well do both if that situation happens to you where it breaks or whatever. Another section you want to look out for is this hose here. They're pretty notorious for getting brittle. If you push on this hard enough, the neck could snap on some of the higher mileage stuff. So just keep that in mind. Try to tread lightly in here because some of these coolant items are pretty brittle. And the reason why I'm replacing this one is because this tensioner here, they're known to go bad. They start binding a little bit and they get cockeyed, and the belt starts riding off of this pulley here, and you'll go to pass a big rig or something on the freeway and that belt will just fly off. So this is why we're replacing it. The pulley, the belt is starting to walk off the pulley, and we definitely want to take care of that now rather than later. Otherwise we'll end up on a flatbed over here. Alright, to get this tensioner here to its service mode, I use I think this is a T60. Yeah, it is a T60, and I have this one on a long 1/2-inch ratchet. If you find one, you can use a smaller one, but that's just what's more comfortable for myself. And you're gonna go get it in there. Once you get it in there, you're gonna go clockwise and relieve the tension. Alright, got the belt off. It is a good idea to take a picture before so you can kind of know where to route it. And you're going to want to use an eTorx E14 to get this aluminum bolt off. This is a one-time use only. They generally do come with the bolt, but you want to make sure before you get to this point. Under this circumstance, I actually got a kit that they sell because this is so common. It comes with the belt, the tensioner, and pulley, and it's made by Continental. This part number is right there. It's not a BMW part number because it's a kit, but it is pretty neat. It comes with all this stuff, which is a good idea to do if you're going to be in there anyway. So it comes with the belt here, the deflector idler pulley, which goes right there under the alternator. I'm going to be taking that off. Comes complete with everything, pretty cool. Even a little dust cap. And of course, with the main reason why we're in there, the tensioner. This one comes with a nice little set pin, so it's in service mode already. Be careful with that, it's under high tension. Don't want to pinch your finger in there. And it comes with a bolt already. And like I said, some of these kits will come with a bolt and some won't, depending on the brand, but this kit has always come with a bolt. If you get this thing by itself, more than likely it's a hit or miss if it comes with a bolt or not, if it's aftermarket or factory. Alright, here's a shot of all the torque specs. So I have this one here, belt tensioner to crankcase, aluminum bolt. It's a one-time use only bolt, and it is a stretch to yield with a torque angle. So I have this motor here, M52K, and it says not for E70, which is the X5. So I don't have a X5, and it says joining torque is 25 Newton meters, and with a 90-degree angle torque on that. And here's another one for the X5 if you have the X5. And there's the torques for that. It's the same exact thing, pretty much. And that little deflection pulley under the alternator that I was talking about, that guy has a torque of 40 Newton meters. So basically good and tight. Alright, so I'm adjusting the torque wrench to 25 Newton meters. And this is aluminum bolt, one-time use only. I keep repeating that because if you do use it, it will snap. Alright. And if you don't have an angle torque wrench, you can just use your best judgment. This one's pretty easy because it's a 90 degree angle torque. So 90 degrees is just like that. Alright, just like that. And if you can't get a shot of that here, and so this right here is how it should look. The tensioner should look when it's in the service mode, just so you know, because sometimes you have a hard time getting it in the right index. So the little pin is on the left and the adjuster is on the right there. And we're going to get the belt on there. And the belt can be a little bit of a fight. Just take your time. Gonna get it around this pulley on the bottom here. That's the hardest part, actually. Alright, looks good. Alright, now I'm going to take this pin out. It just pulls right out once you get the tension on it. You just let go, and there it is. Just double check that the belt is on all the pulleys correctly, because when you go to start it up, you don't want it to flip off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this has helped you guys out and give you some more confidence in doing repairs on your own car. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.